Good morning at 2 a.m. This is Soul, and we are doing part 3 on Pokemon Violet. We got to Los Platos, and now I'm going to do what I said in the last episode, transferred dealing from home, and then we're going to do the mystery gifts I have codes for to add to the game. What I can't wait for is on September 13th, I believe, the home updates, then I can transfer Pokemon that I have in home to my game. So if the Pokemon I think might get an evolution does, I have a good nature for it, and it's going on my Violet team. I'm going to be using Applin, that one, if it evolves. I don't know who else I'll use. I'd say my starter, but it's a level 100. It's a level 100. What will be going everything? Okay, we're going to transfer the cute little dealing. Okay. Where are you, little dealing? Okay, brave nature, that's okay. Honestly, wasn't gonna use it anyways. Yeah. The Pokemon I was talking about is Poochyena. It's rumored that Mightyena might get a new evolution, which makes me very excited because I got a timid nature right there, baby. So if it gets a new evolution, it's going right to Violet. And I have like a million picky packs because that's my favorite regional bird, and I cannot wait. I don't know if it'll be available for. I think it's an indigo disc, so I think I have to wait till possibly December, which sucks, but I have it, so I love Toucanon. Like a lot. Especially the shiny that Biflag beak we stand. Oh, shout out to my bisexuals. I love you. Alright. With the ranting Steven. Feeling is so cute though. Maybe when Gen 5 comes out next year, I'll use Deerling. One of the starters I find underrated is I know it's all the grass type, but Servine I love, or the whole Snivy line I like. They should have made it grass like dragon, but oh well. That would have been a good opportunity, but I think they won't do a dragon starter because I feel like that's too OP. They would have done it with Charizard and Kanto. So I think that's why they didn't. There we go. Okay, that goes. Alright, I'm going to. Before I do the codes, I just want to read the text entry for Deerling. Deerling, the season Pokemon. Deerling have different scents depending on the season. When a distant grass smell starts to whiff from one, you know the summer has begun. Oh, that's the summer form, okay. And I can't remember what the other forms are for the life of me. What, like, I think pink is like... I honestly do not know. Now that's out of the way, we're going to do the codes for the mystery gifts that I have available on my computer that aren't expired yet. Okay, we're gonna first get the Mew one that you can get different terraforms of. Let me know your favorite mythical in the comments below, since Mew is a mythical. Mine is, I would say, Marshadow for sure. Marshadow's adorable. Mew is a close second. Mega Mew, please. I know that's not gonna happen, but a Mega Mew would have been cute. So the code for getting Mew, for those who haven't gotten it yet, it's get your Mew, and you can actually get a different Terra type. And I believe you get a move based on your Terra type, which I didn't know until I got a poison one that had Sludge Bomb, and I'm like, why does it have Sludge Bomb? And I'm like, oh, okay, makes sense. I think I got like Psychic, Water. I got like a bunch of like the same one. If it has a good nature, it's going on the team for now. If it's not, it's okay. I might still use it because I love Mew. I know who loves Mew. Game Boy Luke. Shout out to you. We love you. Need to still meet you though one day. Sometime at PAX. I'm just too much of a shy person for some reason. Usually I'm more open at PAX, but a few times I saw you, I'm like, ah. Still have one of your old Rotom hoodies, but I have no idea for the life of me where it is. Alright. Mew, I'm gonna guess Psychic because that's the only one I've been getting. Oh, do you know what would be a cool one? Dragon for some random reason. Still, I'll take it. Naughty, not bad. Oh, it's got Flash Cannon. Okay, so like all of them special? It's not a great nature, but I'm gonna keep it on the team for now. So I can have more than 2 teammates. Okay. Save it. I don't know why I did that. And I think I have 5 more codes to do. 1 Pokemon, and I think the rest are just items. Alright, next we're gonna do the sandwich ingredient, which I think has like a couple ingredients. I honestly don't remember what's in it. So it's like Natsu, N-O-T-O-K-K-U-N. I will butcher that if I try to say it. The whole thing. How much ingredients? Didn't come in like peanut butter or banana or something crazy like that. I can maybe make a sandwich and see if I can get like purple. Maybe I might do that. Oh, but yeah, I was like banana, peanut butter, butter, and a red Pokeball pack. Okay. And the next one, we're going to do the dark type Charizard Terraform. It's level like 50, so I can't really use it right now. You're not sorry to upset this Charizard fans. Team Squirtle or Bulbasaur all the way. Okay, we got the Charizard. And we just have, there is a, when we get 10 rare candies, 5 revives, oh, max revives, and then like, I'd say 25 Pokeballs, which is really good to have, especially right now. Let's see if this one works. Level up is for the 10 rare candies. It's telling me it expires October 2nd, which is a Monday. Oh, sweet. I love having these, because it's like so good to have early on if you want to like evolve something. Or to like Hope you can level up. Oh, in the comments, let me know your favorite tarot crown. Mine's probably... Shoot, that's hard. Probably Ghost, because it goes back to like the Ghost sprite from Gen 1. I love that. I like that one. Oh. This one for the 10 revive, the 5 max revives is just a revive. If you had to make your own tower crown, what would it be based on? They missed an opportunity to make the electrical one. I know they made a light bulb, they should have just made it a full-on lamp. And fire, they should have done an actual lava. Or for fire, they should have done a lava lamp. That would have been cool to see. But I think in the Till Mask, they're gonna do Terra like. I think that's supposed to be like Terra Forms. Sound kind of cool. And there's an art. Was it Terra Mask or Terra Forms? And then 19th type, which I don't understand that either. Find out in 16 days. And then I think this is the last one I have for the items. Catch by ball. Oh, I got it. Catch by ball. Boo. But in the comments, if you had to create a Pokeball of your own though, what would yours be? Mine would be called a Ghost Ball, and probably be like purple with like ghost steam coming out or something. Oh, I need to write that down. When they do it differently. If I make a Pokeball, hold my phone. I definitely gotta write that down. It'd probably just be called a Pokeball. I have a good name for it that I'm not gonna say on here. No, I will. The Fog Ball sounds kind of cool. Like fog coming out. Oh, probably didn't read that, what that said. I was getting tight. So it comes with 5 net balls, 5 dive balls, shout out dive balls, 5 dust balls, 5 timer, 5 quick, and 5 luxury. Which are really good ones. Especially if you want to catch a Pokemon real fast, just quick one. So here's all the items that are in. And that is all the mystery gifts I have right now. Just posting a tweet about my Pokeball idea, which I don't know which region I would honestly put it in, because I have a region based off Spain, which is ironic because I did it before Paldea was now. Greece, Sahara Desert / Africa, kind of, and Australia. Well, the Greece one's like based on Greece, Italy, and Turkey mixed in. People are like, you have too many regions. I was like, well, that's fun to make. Oh, duh. Sorry, I was messaging a friend on X. We're talking about Pokemon and stuff. He was talking about how there's like 2 Pokemon we haven't seen revealed for the Till Mask. I'm like, what's it? He was like, this one? But, well, it's like a Blood Moon Pokemon for an evolution of Pokemon, which I think is going to be Mightyena. And then the evolution of Poltergeist, which I totally spaced out because, duh, has to evolve. I wish they made more new Pokemon for like DLCs, but that's okay. Oh, I can't even do a picnic right now. That stinks. Doing a picnic would have been fun right now. That's okay. But yeah. Let me know what Pokemon you think is underrated and deserves more love. Like, let's say Mega if they ever bring it back, or G-Max form, whatever you can think of. You could tell me your idea and I might include it in your conclusion if you want, for an evolution or anything. Just let me know. I'm open to it. Pokemon I think from Paltea that was kind of done dirty was the School Villain line, which I feel like needs another evolution. Which, spoiler alert for the people who don't know, I have a Grease region I'm doing, and School Villain evolves into Scorch Hydra, which is based on a Hydra from Morphology, and I cannot wait to get it remastered and posted. But I'm taking a great commission so I can save money for my bills in January and taxes this month. Probably cut back up in December so I can get my release map done. I want to get it done before the year ends for like maybe a Christmas present to myself. Same thing with that Garchomp onesie, I might do that too. But I told Mom she can get it for me for Christmas since I don't know what else to get. I feel like any plushie that's Garchomp related or March. That'd be cool. Oh, well, I forgot to take Garchomp. I forgot to take Charizard out of the box. It's like, what are you doing to me? You won't even obey me. Oh, one Pokemon that deserves love? Sunflower. It's weak. Oh, let me tell you more spoilers. It's an idea I had for a while, but it's for a Mega Sunflower. Based on a dead sunflower in like a pot. Like, I don't know if the pot would be on its head or just like growing out of the pot and it's like a dead flower. Well, dead sunflower and would be grass and ghosts. Which I thought was always a cool idea I had in mind. Wait, you can. Oh, if I'm on store power, good. Let's get rid of light screen. I'm never gonna use it. Oh, I said I already learned. I was like, you can't learn Swift. Can't you like learn every freaking move in the box? What was I doing? I don't remember. Oh, gotta continue to go to school. I do want to catch a Strudel, the pre-evolution of Grafai. It was super cute. I remember when Grafai was getting teased and everyone thought I was a Palday and Smeargle, which I wish they still did. They should have done a Palday and Smeargle aside Grafai and make them like rivals in a way. Make them both poison and normal. And then evolved Smeargle, because I think that Pokemon's underrated as well. It's one of my friends too. Shout out to him. Hope you're doing well. A lot of you miss you. She's still in Boston, so we can hang out at PAX. No delay. Later. Just kidding. Okay. How's that? On my life. I'm on good enough. Depends on the person and stuff. With oh wow, level 8 and level 6. Good job, Mew. Mew's crazy. Ah, my two Pokemon! Your Pokemon suck! No, I'm just kidding. Now we just have to find a Strudel. Which I love, it's the first poison normal type, which is awesome. That makes me happy. With all the remaining typings left, which one do you want to see done next? I know there's not a lot left. I think there's like, I'd say normal steel, Normal ice. Ice poison, which I want done so badly. Dragon bug, which... Bug dragon needs to be done. Fire fairy, which I hope they save for a starter, honestly. Because that would be so cool, being like, oh, it's a cute little starter, then BAM! Myth, or like very magical, and I'd say you can make it like gender, like fluid. It'd be really cute. Like a fairy. Oh, what animal would I do though? That's the question. Well, what fire fairy type would you think they would do? Oh, fun fact, my Australia region's fire starter is based on the blue ringed octopus, a poisonous one. Poisonous sea creature, and it's not fire poison, it's fire dark. It's gonna be fire fairy, but to balance the mix. Yeah, that's funny. Speaking of Pichu, we were talking about that at work the other day. It was brought a Pichu in the store, and workers, I like Pokemon, and we're like, oh my god, that's Pikachu, and the kid was like, no, that's Pichu. So I honestly might use this on my team for a bit, just because of work. I wish you could evolve it into a Alolan Raichu, because Alolan Raichu is better. But that's okay. Oh, cool, Pichu. Oh, I just realized I have one Pokemon. Let me know who your favorite Pika clone is. That's a hard one. My least favorite's a Molga. Oh, Bold, that's a good nature too. You need some level. I'm gonna give you some rare candies. You need some levels. Okay, that's not actually nice. And then we'll save. Nah, I don't need to save right now. We're good. Oh, I gotta read Pichu's deck central. Oh, did I really get Flittle this early? I love Friddle or whatever his name is. That little like, I don't know. I know it evolves into like a ostrich, but I don't know what it's like the baby is. Despite this Pokemon's cute appearance, those who live with one will prepare to be on the receiving end of electric bolts. Damn. If I can really get a Friddle this early, I'm going to cry. Because I would love one. Yes, please. This early in game? Absolutely. Sign me up. You can get one this early in game? I love this spot. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Oh, well, crap. Okay, let's not try to attempt to... Oh, I'm stuck right now. Nope, we're good. I was like, please, I don't want to fall in the water. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna just catch some of these for the decks. I'm gonna take a break from that so I can continue the journey. I gotta get to the school to battle, what's their faces? Team Star, Nimona before. Team Star, meet Penny, go through the school, and then we'll be done for the night. With part. Part 3. Sorry. Losing train of thought. I don't remember what part of this journey. Give me Friddle. A little. I can get if you can flip this early. That's crazy. Oh, don't tell me I have to go up there. Oh no, I don't have the climbing ability for that. That stinks. I love those. I love Friddle. You know how cool that would be to have it so early in the game. Oh. Okay, I didn't wanna pop it. Have a hoppin'. Adios, muchacho. No, I just talk Spanish. See, I know some. Not a lot. I got a heal ball, nice. Well, if you're showing me Pokemon, I probably can't get early. I hate when they do that on the map. It's like, oh, here's a Pokemon, and then you'll try to look for it on the map, and it doesn't show up. It's like, thanks for keeping my hopes up. My hopes and dreams down the drain. Oh, I still gotta find Strudel. Where are you, little buddy? I know you're on this route. I know you're on this route. I've caught you on journeys before. We're literally on my playthrough for the first time I played Violet. And I used Spricker to kill because I was not gonna use that god-awful crocodile final evolution. Sorry, Pokemon, but your final evolution sucks. Honestly, from like stuff, tweets and stuff, literally thought it was gonna be like a huge phoenix, and then you see it and it's a tiny bone. That's kind of sad. Oh, it's him. Almost called you an idiot. House Blackness. Rest. Are you sure? I know you're tiny. Come on. I know you're on this route. Oh. Okay, I got 2 chances to get a good nature. Hopefully. Go with quick call for one. Wow, everyone's 2:30 a.m. Oops. Not like I gotta be anywhere tomorrow, so we're good. Or today, I guess. Oh, Strudel, the toxic mouse Pokemon. I love that typing so much. Oh, one other Pokemon I think that's, sadly, they should have made an evolution for, Grafaiai to make it, like, that'd be cute. Poison Ice, the type I want so bad. But, which makes no sense. But, to keep enemies away from its territory, it paints markings around its nest with a poisonous liquid that has a acid odor. Nice. Oh, fun fact, I got a shiny one in my, my main Violet game. I think I was doing like a poison type sandwich and just found it. I was like, hell. It's like, hell yeah. Oh, I get to keep it. Yes. Bold nature. Sounds good. Oh, I gotta weed, Paldean first. I love how they show me Pokemon that aren't on this route. I got 26. Paldean Woopa. Woopa, the poison fish Pokemon. A poison and ground type Paldean form. It's dangerous for Wooper to travel alone. They line in groups of 3 or 4 to help each other walk as they walk around the wetland. I honestly wish they did more Paldean forms besides the 3 fighting type Horoses and Paldean Wooper and Clodsire, but unfortunately that doesn't happen. Maybe in I ever said they really do. Oh nice, I learned Bite. Fairy Swipes now. Can you learn Swift? You can't? You're a normal type, but I can't learn Swift, huh? You're just not a Swifty, are you? I just found a Pokemon Go I might transfer over. But my favorite Pokemon is Slack Off. You know. Ooh, who likes Slack Off? It's a sloth. My second favorite animal. My favorite animal is a panda, and it's not in Skirt. Or in the DLC, which breaks my heart. To Pangoro and Pancham for being amazing. I love you. Okay. Oh, fun fact, do you know I have 5 Pokemon tattoos? Primarina, Pangoro, Mimikyu, Dhelmise, and Let's see what I want. Garchomp. And I want more. I want Snorlax, I want Gengar, I want Waiting Megagarth. Michael probably. Cinderace definitely. Buchanan definitely. Slack off definitely does more. I Sloth to try to, and if wanted it for years, you just never got around to it. Because I had an old co-worker saying, "You should not do that." My body, my choice. She doesn't work there anymore. I told her what? Oh, I want to get a sloth. It's like, well, not your husband anymore. Now is it? Where's the lady? Alright, I'm going to open home so I can transfer some Pokemon. So I can transfer this Slack off so I can possibly use it. And it's Sting of Vigoroth because Slacking sucks and it is ugly. Well, it's like, to me, it's like Donkey Kong. It's not. It goes from sloth to like monkey to monkey. It's like, why don't you just take it? Why don't you slay, I don't know, the cute little Slack off the whole time? The Game Freak, I know you're not listening, but can you make more sloths? They're great. I mean, I made a grass sloth starter, that was fun. I honestly should have made it into a, extinct sloth when it evolved, but I didn't. I think I just made it a normal sloth. I should have made it a ground sloth. Oh, I have a fire fairy star idea. Since I've made a grass dark, and a water grass dark and fire and water ghost that are both based on conductors. Next time I do a fire starter, fire fairy conductor. Because my grass sloth is a conductor, my water bat's a conductor. Now I just gotta make a fire one so the trend continues. In the comments below, let me know what fire fairy types are based on a fairy like conductor, like music conductor. So it can be buddies with Conductu bat and Conductu sloth. Yeah, an original lamb. One of my favorite animals is a sloth. I had to do it. Okay, we're going to transfer some more Pokemon I have caught. Just give me 1 second while I catch another Pokemon who's not even in Scarlet and Violet. That's okay. I know I'm rambling, but that's okay. I know. I mean, there's shinies I want to transfer, but I'm like, do I use them? Do I just keep them in a box? What shiny do you think is the worst? Unfortunately, my favorite one's Garchomp, and he has the worst shiny. Mega shiny Garchomp? Sign me up. It's pink. Oh, and Mega Gengar, unfortunately, but it's Mega shiny. White. Perfect. But you couldn't make its normal shiny white, could you? Like a ghost. Like a, what did you say, ghost? A cheat ghost? Yeah. And it's G-Max shiny. Oh. Ooh. That was amazing too. Garchomp, since it got a Mega, should have gotten a G-Max for it. Honestly, that would have been cool to see. I honestly don't know what they would have done, but that would have been cool. Yeah, Garchomp, G-Max, I would have cried. Would have got me an excuse to get 2 more Garchomp tattoos. I honestly might get Mega Garchomp tattoos. Play favorite Pokemon, why the hell not? I think I just have to transfer the, I think it's just a slack off. Cause yeah, I think, oh, and Growlithe. Forgot I had Growlithe. Oh, wow! Wow, I'm getting these like good ass names. Good nature sign language. Oh, it's level 25. I can't use it right now, anyways. Because I want a baby. Oh my god. That's awesome. Got a good another nature Puchiana. Yas. It means it's a new evolution in Paldea. Or Kitsukami, I think it's the Japanese region for Shellmask. I think it's Katsukami. I can use it for both Scarlet and Violet for the DLC. Woohoo! And I cannot wait to use a toucan and shiny the god of a piggyback. Because I'd love to have that bisexual bird in there. Shout out to you. Alright, we'll go back to Violet. Okay, we're gonna get to the school, do that stuff, and then I'm done for the night. So, I don't think it'll be another hour, but we'll wait and see. That was an hour long. Damn. I really, episode 2 was over an hour. Oops. I just wanted to get to a good spot. And they felt like if it was an hour, it's an hour. Hour, 2 hours. If I go to bed at 4 a.m., if I go to bed at 5, I'll just sleep till noon. Okay. Talk to him. Did I battle enough? Probably not. Okay. You defeated 3. Of course I need to defeat 4 for the item. Okay, we'll do that real quick. Or battle this little fella. This fella. Hello there. I came to Mesagoza to make some deliveries, but let's make a quick battle. Probably record more episodes when I wake up today. I don't know yet. Let's see how my sleeping goes. Rookadee. Rookadee, it was one of the only, like one of the 3 regional birds that's not normal flying when it fully evolves. Which is what, Corviknight, the new one. I can never, the electric flying, steel flying, and fire flying. I hope they keep doing that. Oh, they should really do a water flying. I know there's like Pelipper and Wingull, but those aren't the regional birds. Those are like secondary birds. Ooh, wing attack. Sure. Wouldn't mind. Absolutely not. We're getting rid of Pound. Which bugs me why it's not a flying type already, but that's okay. Oh, I like his name. That's a cool name. Cushier. Guess I delivered you a win. Alright, let's go get that item from that, man. From that rep, I think is what he was. I think he gives you like a team or something. Don't quote me on that though. Hi there, I'm a Pokemon League rep. Been having some nice Pokemon battles? Yes. So far you've defeated 4 trainers here in Area 1 of the South Providence. On behalf of the Pokemon League, here's your lovely prize. Was that right? Yep. Thunderwave, I knew it. You get air release from one of them, I know that. We're holding this challenge for other areas around Paldea too. Stop by and try them. Of course. I need to like look up and see like what all of them are, because I don't think I've done all of them even in my base game. Even in my base copies. Alright, so Nemona's gonna have what? Like Coco and then okay, we'll go with the Canada ground move. And of course you have a ground move, but it's like the one that doesn't work. Okay, well, I'll be here first. Actually, what we might do is after Nemona, stop it this episode and then do another episode so we can have like 2 more episodes for the night. I want to get to the school, but I think splitting it up instead of making it longer will be better. Okay, we'll do Nemona's battle and then we'll end it off here. It's gonna be like, oh my god, Soul, it's time to battle or something. I don't remember. I like how there's like, I think there's like, what, 4 stories to this game, which makes it funner. More fun. Oi, Soul. Nemona, ready for battle, of course. Did ya battle some trainers on the hill? Bet your Pokemon are getting stronger. Yeah. How about you show me how much all you have learned in a battle? Sure thing. I would say, I don't know, but she'd be like, I want to. Alright, nothing like having a friend around. Come on, Soul, let's have a fruitful battle. How'd you know I was fruity, Nemona? Just kidding. No, I'm very fruity. We're very fruity. Okay, Nemona. Wait, Poco, and then Tommy, and then she terrestrialize it. I wish the starters had like their secondary terraforms. But I think they didn't do that because if they did, they would have spoiled them. It would have been cool like a ghost fighting guard. It's funny, this is the 3rd fire ghost starter in a row. Right? That's the 2nd. I think it's 2nd because Typhlosion and Skeleton is becoming the new firefighting. I love. Well, I don't like. I only don't like. I don't like Blaziken. It's too like humanoid. I think there's only a 2 fire ghost. But if we do another one, I wouldn't do that one. Yeah, Skeledirge. And I believe it's just Skeledirge and Typhlosion. Oh yeah, 2 in a row because Legends and then Scarlet Violet. Imagine Friction not 10 I wouldn't be mad for it. I just want them to do Fire Fairy so bad. They should honestly do Grass Steel, Water Fighting again. Or Water Steel again. Grass Fighting again. And then Fire Fairy. But they're like, yeah, they can those 2 things for Fire Fairy. Any Pokemon. Any Pokemon. You can't. Wanna. Any one Pokemon does something really upset you. You're not. I'm not playing Pokemon my whole life because of therapy plans, yes. But when they repeat stuff, I don't care. Just say that I'm fine. The rest of life. I could have just made a whole ass lamp. But the light bulb is cute though. One of my least favorite is probably the steel one, which I said, it looks a little morbid. No acid spray lowers special deafness. Terrestrializing is a way that Soul Strategy to give the power of the terrestrial move more power. Yeah, it like boosts it by a lot. Oh my god. Yeah, we're switching here. Oh, let's switch Diglett. You chose to use Thundershock. You can't because ground can't be hit by archetypes. Rain. What type advantage? Okay, let's see. We'll use a Astonish. Maybe I'll find her. Oh my god. I just predicted that. That's kind of funny. I thought it flinched again. Yeah, try to use an electric type on a ground move. On a ground Pokemon. Good idea. Nimona, you gotta think. Yeah, I can still get static. That's a little. That's. Got flinched though. Nimona, you gotta think. I'm a Diglett. Ground type, you can't hit me. You know the only like fan base type I've seen that I like was rubber. I mean, sound and light are just too like predictable. But rubber's like a cool one. That'll be like a cool one to see. I know they won't, but I honestly don't think they're gonna do another like official one. I think Fairy's last, or the 19th Terra one, but I don't think it's like an actual type. I think it has to do with all 18 put into one. I don't know. We'll learn about it in the either two. Now we'll probably wait till Indigo Disc to learn more about it. Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Oh, thank you. You're good at Pokemon battles. I forget how new you are at stuff like this sometimes. Anyways, it was fun to battle you. Here, have some revives as thanks. We gotta go to school, but I need to end this episode. Now, Mesagoza's waiting just past this gate. At least the city where our school is. There's tons of hills and stairs and stuff in the city, so I'm gonna take a quick breather and then catch up with you soon. Thank you, Mona. She's going inside. I am not right now. I need to take a breather, like she said. Or do we go inside together? I don't remember. Oh, okay, we go inside together. After this, like, part, I'll end it. I forgot. We have to, like, talk a little bit, and then we can, like, end it. I forgot. I like that they keep doing customization, because I feel like if you didn't, it'd be so, the games would be so boring. It's like, we just got one boring outfit, and that's it. Nope. Hopefully for Gen 5, they'll do that again. Probably. I want them to do Legends Hero. That's too predictable. And too fan-base made. Alright, here I am. We finally made it, huh? This is Mesagoza, the biggest city in Paldea. Yep. Get to meet our girl Penny soon. Woohoo! Oh, did you know that they're making I think I saw on Twitter the other day. They're making a bag out of it. Or they're making like a plushy bag of her Eevee bag, which is so cute. Which bugs me, because I didn't introduce a new Eevee that was like normal type around the bag, or ghost type or something. Looks like she's all Eevee based, and they didn't do anything. Come on, you being freak. Us fans can come up with better ideas. No offense, I love you, Pokemon, but gotta bring some stuff back. It's been a big trade hub since a long time ago. Lots of folks came here to learn about advances in technology and other kinds of stuff. There's a hair salon where you can change your looks, plus places with tasty foods and fixings. Hard when you're lactose intolerant and can't eat a lot of stuff. What do you want to see first, Soul? Hair salon, because I'm not hungry. Oh, you're fashionista. Are you? Not really. Or maybe you're just a particular dude that won't get in your eyes when you're battling. Oh, speaking of battling, I want to be sure you'll be able to terrestrialize your Pokemon too, Soul. There's a few things that gotta get done before the Hamptons. I'll take care of them. Meanwhile, we just gotta be looking fun looking around the city. There's so much you can do. Grab a bite, buy some accessories to spice up your uniform. If you want my personal recommendation, you should go to Delibird Presents. They sell handy items for Pokemon to hold and to help evolve for some of them, like I think Sneasel into Sneasler or Eevile depending on the form, Gligar into Gligar into Gligar, which can't be in this game yet. So excited. Once you've seen your fill, you can meet me again on Friend This Girl. Just be ready, this tears to school are no joke. I know, my asthma would be like one row. Later then get pumped for some terrestrializing. I like terrestrializing. It's a lot better than G-Max and Z-Moves. If I had to pick, it'd be Megas, terrestrializing, G-Max, and Dynamax, then Z-Moves. I hate Z-Moves. They're boring. They're cute, but boring. Okay, I'm gonna go talk to this lady because I know she gives phone cases, and then we're gonna end this part. My, I sense great depths to your past. You must have seen much in life goes by. I study your phone to peer into the past lives you've lived. It's called rotometry. Care to try? Sure. Aha, your past. It drifts before my eyes. I see life in your past. Oh, where is it? Galar? Yes. It's coming into clearer focus. In precious life, you can once thread the grounds of Galar. I see you facing down enormous challenges in the Galar region with equally enormous Dynamax Pokemon at your side. I like when they acknowledge old regions and stuff in games. It's cool. Allow me to fashion your Rotom phone a case that benefits your memories, of course. And it's I think it's like a Pokeball mascot dude I left in there. And your case is finished. Carry it proudly. Ball guy case. Yeah. You wish to plumb your memories from more past lives. Come speak to me again. Okay. I study Rotom phone in the pier. Try again. Yes. In your past, just before I say what is this? Hisui. Yes, it comes from a clear focus. In your previous life, you once stood the grounds of Hisui. I see you having a great adventure in the Hisui region, an old phone gripped in your hand. Oh wait, where is this Hisui? I've never heard of it. Well, it's Sinnoh now, but allow me to fashion your Rotom phone a case that benefits your mind. And there. Your case is finished. Carry it proudly. You wish to plump your memories from more past lives? Come speak to me again. I'm gonna put the phone case on and then I'm gonna always start next episode looking for like better clothing for myself. I don't know. Do I wanna Arc phone or I'm gonna do Ball Guy? I love Ball Guy. He's cute. All right. Part 3 is going. Okay, we're saved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and part 3 is now complete. Good night. Soul is out.